Hi student, today we are going to discuss Edexcel GCSE June 2024 4MA1 2H Mathematics A. So we have to do question number 14. A part is a very easy one. Okay, that's open brackets. I know, no. That's 3y, 2y plus 5, uh, y plus 7. Uh, he need a y cubic, a y cubic plus by power of 2 uh, plus cy time. He need to find this a and b and c. Very easy. This is open brackets. This is factors, right? So 3y. This factor. This open brackets. That 2y square. 2y. Then that multiply 14y. Easy. Okay. So that multiply 5y and that 35. Then you simplify that like terms. So 3y, 2y power of 2 addition 19y addition 35. Like simplify 14 minus plus 5 9. This is open brackets 6y and y, this indices y power of 3 and 3 times 19 57 y power of 2 and 3 times 35 105. Okay, so y. Now we expect that a y power of 3, b y power of 2 and c y. So what? A 6, b 57, z 105. So mathematics very easy subject, right? That a part. Okay, so we are going to discuss that B part. This I think are not hard. Okay, open brackets. Step by step we go. Right. So B part. Now we are going to read this. Uh, B. So 2x plus 3 over 5 plus 6x minus 5 over 4 equal 163 over 100. 2x plus 3 over 5 addition 6x minus 5 over 4 equal 163 over 100. Clear working. Solve that. Right. So how to do this? I think you can remove in that denominator number, this fraction. Now you know actually that 5 and 4 LCM 20, no, that 100 are there. I think better whole thing you multiply 100. Okay, so that's easy. 100 times that 2x plus 3 over 5. Now we are going to plan in that 100 removing. That's why. Okay. Uh, then Different methods are there. This 100, this is easy method. 6x minus 5 over 4. Okay, so that 100 times 163 over 100. That cancel. So 5 times 20. 22x plus 3. Right? So that 4 times 25. 25 6x minus 5 equal 160. Right. So that open brackets 40x addition 60 addition 25 times 6 I think 150. Yeah. 150x minus 125 I think 25 times 5 125 equal 160. Okay, so that simplifies these like terms. 190x addition 125 minus 60. That minus greater simplifications. Okay, then put minus 65. That minus 65 equal 160. So that moving other side 190x equal 160 addition 65. So that that 130. Okay, so 160 addition that 65. Yeah, sorry. That 228. So x for both side divide 190. 228 minus 190. Divide, sorry, divide. So that 6 over 5 or 1.2. Right. So that answer, what is the question that show clear algebraic work. Decimal answer over fraction, no problem. This is 1.2. So that question number 14 complete. So we are going to discuss this question number 50. Right. I think this is not hard. First your plan is this 100 removing whole thing. This is 5 4 20. This 20 100 100 100 100. This is a very easy method. Please follow my this videos. Then you are study how to do this. That's the point. Okay. So now we are going to erase that. So that we are going to discuss another question. Question number 15. Right. That E equal square root 7g plus 5 over 11 plus 2g. Okay, so that E equals 7g plus 5 and that 11 plus 2g make g subject. Right, make g subject. How to do it? You are looking at g inside square root. Square root means that square root x means x 1 or 2. That square root removing both sides take uh, that square. Okay, so that removing. First, this you are planning that square root removing. Your both side take square form. Both side take square. So that e power of 2 7g plus 5 11 plus 2g that no need right that I explained this out. Right, so that come 7g plus 5 11 plus 2g. Right, so that your cross multiply was that denominator e power of 2 11 plus 2g equal 7g plus 5. Yeah. So open brackets 11 e power of 2 plus 2e squared g equal 7g plus 5. I think your subject g no g left hand side put keep others right hand. This is a moving any letter so uh, like number that sign change. Just keep the g subject 2 e squared g take the 7g this side minus 7g equal that 5 minus 11 e power of 2. Right. So we are going to erase that. So that uh, g take outside g take outside 2 e power of 2 minus 7 equal 5 minus 11 e power of 2. Right. So you take subject g, you both sides divide that number that 2 e squared minus 7. 2 e squared minus 7. So that cancel. So your answer g equal 5 11 e power of 2 over 2 e squared minus 7. This is a 15a complete. So 15b. I think you are understanding. Okay. So 15b. That question number 15 is 2024. B. 3y power of 2. 3y squared plus 4y minus 32 greater 0. now find the value. I think this is a factor I use that calculate also a square plus by plus c. Another way, these two multiply. So 32 times 3, 96. So that 96 come 12 times 8. That plus 12 minus that factorize 3y power of 2 plus 12y minus 8y minus 32 greater 0. So that common factor 3y take outside and y plus 4 and 8 take outside y plus 4 greater 0. Okay, so that y plus 4 common factor, and then you can write 3y minus 8 greater 0. So then you are taking that roots. Uh, Now we are going to draw that inequalities. Now you are taking that equal 0 type. Y plus 4 equals 0, y equal minus 4. So 3y minus 8 equals 0, 3y equal 8, y equal 8 over 3. So you know that. Then you know that quadratic graph. Quadratics is a square plus by plus c. That's why it's there. This we know actually that a greater 0 means minimum graph. That graph we know. So we are going to erase that greater 0 values. Okay. Yeah. Right. So that right. Okay. So that greater 0. So we are going to do that. Now we are going to erase this. Uh, Put that axis like y, any axis y. So that graph roots come uh, minus 4 and 8, yeah, 8 over 3 like this. So minimum graph will like this graph shape that one. So greater means that position, that greater. Uh, this my class is all explaining how to do this. How this exam paper. No? Then yeah, inequalities that graph y no, yeah, y less that minus 4. Then this side y greater that 8 over 3. This is your answer. Okay. Question number 15 that complete. I think everything depends this data now. That's why next video uploaded. Okay. Next video uploaded next sums. Okay. So now we are going to, I think you understand this. Uh, Very important. Subscribe my channel. If you need to classes in future words, I online classes start the Edexcel and Cambridge. So that my telephone number not 71 8 double not 5 double 72 Sri Lanka. Okay, that Sri Lanka. Uh, so my channel Maths Expert HEMA. Now I conduct classes. A is that P1, P2, M1, S1, and that Edexcel and Cambridge A levels P3, P4, and like FP1, FP2, FP3, and FP2 also. Uh, then GCSE, all grade, and IGSE, plain division like this, and GCE O level, single and English medium, and combined maths. Also. Need to classes, contact my telephone number. Uh, thank you so much for my video. Please follow, study. Then you try this all sums. Okay. Thanks so much. See you.